In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Thunderbird. If your inbox looks a little too dim and you want a brighter, easier on the eyes layout during the day, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch it off. We'll move through Thunderbird's built-in menus and finish by disabling the dark theme so the interface returns to a lighter look. First, open Thunderbird on your computer. Give it a moment to load your inbox and folders so everything is ready to go. You don't need any add-ons or external tools for this. The setting we're after is built right in, and the change applies immediately without a restart. Next, look to the top right corner of the Thunderbird window for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main application menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click it to open a drop-down panel of options. If your window is very narrow, you might need to maximize Thunderbird to see the icon clearly, but in most layouts, it's right there at the upper right. From that menu, choose Add-ons and Themes. This opens the Add-ons Manager in a new tab inside Thunderbird. Think of it as the control center for extensions and visual styling. We're heading here specifically because themes, including dark mode, are managed from this exact place. You'll see sections for extensions and themes, and we'll focus on the themes area next. Inside the Add-ons Manager, click on Themes. Depending on your version, this can appear in a sidebar or along the top of the tab. The Themes page lists all available themes, including any you've installed and the ones that come with Thunderbird by default. Each theme entry shows its name and status, so you can quickly identify what's currently active. Now find the theme labeled Dark. When dark mode is active, you'll typically see it marked as enabled. Click Disable on that dark theme entry. As soon as you do, Thunderbird will switch back to the default or light appearance. You should notice the background and toolbars brighten immediately, confirming the change took effect. If you happen to have multiple dark style themes installed, make sure you disable the one that's currently enabled. That's all there is to it. Open Thunderbird, go to the 3-line menu, choose Add-ons and Themes, head into Themes, and disable the dark theme. If you ever miss the darker look, you can return to the same place and enable it again. Thanks for watching and enjoy a lighter, clearer view of your inbox.